Alright guys, time for a sound clip. Last video I told you guys I'll show you guys what my riding gear is, and yeah, I'll show you guys now. But yeah, when it comes to riding gear guys, they're so damn expensive, and I pretty much got what I need for now. I haven't got any fancy crazy stuff other than my helmet, which I spend a lot of money on. For my jacket guys, I've got a Kevlar line hoodie, which has got the shoulder and the back support and I think elbow support as well. For gloves guys, I've got the Supreme Fox gloves that came out this year, and yeah, it's good to actually put these to use after I actually got them. So yeah, being a beat player guys, I do have to wear the high-vis jacket, which I'm probably going to keep wearing even after my P's, because it's so handy and they can actually see you so much easier when you're wearing this. Alright guys, so it's time for the helmet. So this is actually my favorite part of my whole kit. I love this helmet guys. So this is a Arai helmet. I don't know if that's how it's spelled, and it's got the black visor as well. Let me push that up. Yeah, it's awesome guys. So I've actually got a GoPro 3 white here and a 5 black. The good thing about the 3 is you can actually put a mic jack there. Unfortunately with this, you can't really do that. Alright, so it took me a while to set this up, but so that's what's coming out of the GoPro 3 right here. I'll put the brightness up for you guys, see it better. And then right over there is the GoPro 5. But clearly the 5 is so much better quality than the 3. But this is how the setup looks like guys, it's pretty crazy. We wasted enough time guys. I had to go to Vic Roads, I gotta get the envelopes, and I gotta come back and finish off the part out as well. So yeah, well, I'll catch you guys when I get back. Here's the crazy helmet setup with the 2 GoPros. I'm only going to choose to keep one. I'm not going to run both GoPros obviously. So yeah, let's see which one gets the better footage.
A few moments later.
This bike is so much fun guys. Oh my god. The torque is so instant. Guys, what you guys just watched was like a half a video I made about a week ago. But right after I made that half guys, I got really sick. Yeah, I never actually got to finish that video properly. So since that day guys, many things have changed. Like my car has been parted out a lot more, not just the mirrors. A lot of the people that bought the parts actually came and picked them up while I was sick. And also guys, I did a couple of mods to the bike as well. So before we look at the bike guys, let's go and have a little look at the car. So guys, the bumper has actually come off, so you know I can take everything else out. And the J's wide body front fenders are gone as well, and also the J's bonnet as well. Even though I got rid of the J's wide body fenders guys, I am not going back to fully stock. There is something else happening. I will let you guys know soon. I'm very excited for the new setup guys, because I do want to drive this car a lot more on the road. But the way it was right now with the J's and the full wide body, it was just a little bit too much to drive on the road. But yeah, at the moment guys, the car is practically a shell, but it will be put back together pretty soon, and I'm very excited for the next step. The only big issue now I've got left is to sort out the wheels issue guys, because this is an 18 by 9.5 plus 22, and that was perfect for the J's wide body, but for the new setup I'm going to be going, it's going to be way too aggressive. So yeah, very sad guys, I'm probably going to have to get rid of these wheels and get something a little bit less aggressive as well. Guys, this won't be like this for much longer. I'm going to be putting back the new stuff on, and a couple of things are going back to stock, but not all of it. Alright guys, time for a sound clip. guys, on the road with other bikes, guys, this bike sounds like a muscle car. It's pretty crazy. Guys, let's take a look at the bike and see what mods I got up to in the last week. So the first mod I actually did myself was the tail tidy kit. If you guys remember from the last video, there was a fender extender that came from here and went all the way here, and it was really ugly. So I swapped that out for a very, very clean and small tail tidy. Tail tidy kit was not a very easy install, guys. I had to take out the whole back of the car. I mean, it wasn't too hard, but it just took a lot of time to taking off all these plastics, and then I had to also solder in the new wiring and things like that. But it was very fun, and I really, really enjoy how it turned out. Next thing I did was a very small mod, which was a new radiator protector, radiator side protector. So this is actually an OEM style one. You can get this from factory. So the old one used to look like this. So it was like big and chunky. It was not too bad. But the new one is just so much better, guys. So much better. The next mod I did was this small windscreen, guys. It made a massive difference in how much wind they get pushed onto me when I was riding. But yeah, and it looks awesome as well. And it also finally protects my key in there. Before, without the windshield, there was no protection. Yeah, this being a naked bike, guys, there is a massive, massive effect in putting a windshield. Because when you're riding on the freeway, guys, the whole wind is just hitting you. Because unlike a sports bike, there is nothing covering you at the front. So yeah, putting a windshield like that actually just helps you curve that wind out of your, pretty much your torso, and maybe around your head or something like that. I really like the windshield, guys. I have looked at other windshields, but this one was pretty much the cleanest and the simplest one, and it was only like $25 from eBay. I actually forgot. I took the rear seat out and put a pillion passenger seat cover or whatever, something like that. So what it does, it gives you like more of a sports bike look from the side, like more elevated. It just looks so much better now. Hey guys, sorry this video is a little bit weird. I planned on this last week, but I got sick, so I didn't get around to finishing it. But you know, I'm feeling much better, and I can actually speak in front of the camera without coughing. Oh yeah, guys, all the stickers have been shipped out to you guys. So yeah, it will come to you guys maybe in a week or so. I know I didn't go for like the express shipping. I went for the normal shipping. So depending on the country you guys are from, it might take a different time. This is where I'll leave you guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. There's going to be a lot more of S2K and the Yamaha MT-07 videos coming up. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.